Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 3 says 70% of what number is 15? So I'm going to take this phrase and write the equation. Here's the word is, that's my equal sign. On the right side of the equal sign, all I have is the number 15. Then I'm going to look for the word of. On the left side of the equal sign, 70% will be multiplied by what number, which we'll write as our variable. 70%, when we put it into the equation, we're going to write that as the decimal 0.70. You can either move the decimal 2 places to the left or divide by 100 in order to write it in its decimal form. Then I'm going to multiply that by the what number, which is going to be my variable that I'm solving for. So 0.70 times x is 0.7x, and that will equal 15. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 0.7 in order to get my variable by itself. 0.7 divided by 0.7 is 1x, and 15 divided by 0.7, if I round that off to 2 decimal places, is approximately 21.43. So 70% of 21.43 is 15.